Ano naman ang income statement? Ano ang purpose nito para sa mga may-ari ng kumpanya? Ano-ano mang information na nandito? Well, ang income statement is another financial statement that shows the results of your operation for a certain period of time. So it could be monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annually. Depende kung anong requirement ng management. But because of tax compliances, most of the companies normally close their books on a monthly basis. Again, pagdating sa decision making, an income statement is very, very important to the owners of the company. Okay, as an example, let's take a look at this one. Ito po ay income statement ni SB Consultancy Services. Income statement for 3 quarters ending September 30, 2025. So meaning, ito yung result ng kanyang operation for 9 months. Okay? Makikita natin dito, ang composition niya is that mayroon siyang service income na 500,000. And then administrative and operating expense, under that one is salaries, 200,000. Telecommunications, 15,000. So on and so forth. Mayroon siyang total operating and administrative expense of 305,000. So mayroon siyang net income ngayon, 500 minus 305,000, mayroon siyang net income na 195,000. Okay, what about this one? O pagdating sa decision making, anong gagawin ng may-ari ng kumpanya? Okay, let's start with the service income of 500,000. Mayroon siyang total administrative and operating expense na 305,000. Wow, kumita siya ng 195. So dahil magdi-December, sasabihin ng management or ng may-ari ng company, dahil kumita tayo ng 195,000 or equivalent to 39% of our service income, magbibigay ngayon tayo ng bonus. Equivalent to, let us say, 50,000 out of the 195,000. Again, that's a decision. In fact, that's a very good decision. So, just imagine, kung walang income statement, paano magdedesisyon ng may-ari ng kumpanya? So, huhulaan na lang niya. That is why, ang financial statement importante pagdating sa decision making ng may-ari ng kumpanya. Alright, ito po si Sir Tate na nagsasabing ang buhay ay parang accounting. Para masaya, kailangang balansihin. Alright?